Hey guys, today we'll be going over how to download Fortnite. So first of all, hop into your browser of choice and search for Epic Games. Epic Games is the company that programmed Fortnite, so we want to go onto their website. We don't want to directly download it from the Microsoft Store. You can't download it there, so we go onto their website, click on this first link right here. Then you can already see the games they offer. We want to play Fortnite, so we'll click on Fortnite. Click here again, and then click on play now. And now for playing Fortnite, you have to download an Epic Games launcher. In this launcher, you can also play other games. So you can play Rocket League, for example, too, or GTA. You can play from this launcher. So we want to download this launcher. You just click on this button right here, and you click save, and then this Epic installer will install the launcher. And then once you're in the launcher, you can download Fortnite separately. Then other cool ways you can play Fortnite is cloud gaming. So without even having to download Fortnite, you can play Fortnite in your browser, for example. So if you're on your phone, if you're on your PC, you can play Fortnite without having to download it, just through the browser. So you can see these options right here. We can do Xbox cloud gaming, for example, and just click on play now, and then you're able to play it through the browser. Here it's important that you have fast internet, and it's free, of course, as Fortnite in general is free. And yeah, just important that you have a fast browser here, but I definitely recommend downloading it directly to your PC so it's even faster and smoother, and you don't have to play it in the browser. Then here you can see the different devices you can play on. So right now I'm on PC, and you can also play it on Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, Xbox, and mobile. We'll go over how to download Fortnite on those devices in a separate video. So now that we have the Epic Games launcher downloaded, we want to download Fortnite in here. So to do that, you'll be in the store directly. Up here you can search for games, so we'll type in Fortnite, then we'll click on Fortnite. Here you can see some information about the game, a little trailer, and here you can see it's free, completely free, some release dates, the platform you're playing on, and then you'll just click on here to download it. For me, it's already in the library, so after you downloaded it, you will be able to either access it right here through quick launch. You can just click on Fortnite and it'll start, or you can go to your library right here. This is one underneath the store, and you can click on launch right here underneath Fortnite, and then your game will start and you're good to go.